So for the last 12 years, the Ocean ISO life raft has been one of the leading ISO 9650 life rafts on the market. We've been very aware that aesthetics and ease of deployment are critical to the use of a life raft. So we've listened to what our customers and also what our service technicians want to improve the life raft and the container that it lives in. So what we've done with the new container is we've taken everything that we've learnt, we've incorporated handles, we've incorporated a better aesthetic look, we've actually made it easier for service technicians to service the life raft. The design team are going to talk you through the things they've changed and how they'll make your life as an owner better and easier.
Hi, my name is James Frankham and I've been the lead designer on this project, working as a product designer on the new ISO container. I was given the brief of looking at redeveloping a new aesthetic and including a couple of extra features, focusing on ergonomics and how it will fit the body. One of the main features to include was a handle feature, and this was to increase the usability and ease of deployment of the raft. A really useful tool for concepting was to 3D print the handle shapes and really understand what the features could do and how they could impact the design. As an ergonomic standpoint, it's really useful to be able to feel, and overnight you've got a new model to test. And then there's also the actual form of things, so you can scale down your model so you're not printing something that's huge. Printing a scaled down version of the concept that you have gives you a really good idea of how it will look in the real world.
So yeah, we're here by the fridge today where we are starting the cold tests for the new ISO life raft container. The fridge is set to -15 degrees where the life raft will stay for 24 hours or a minimum of 24 hours. This is the first of the temperature tests that are conducted on an ISO life raft. The cold is the first. This is to simulate life rafts that are left on decks in cold environments. The others are an ambient temperature around 20 degrees Celsius and a high temperature where the life raft will see extremes of +65 degrees. And the life raft will be taken out and operated after 24 hours. We've just conducted the 6-metre drop test to simulate launching a raft off your vessel. Once the raft is dropped from 6 metres, we then leave for 30 minutes and inflate the life raft. This is to check that after 30 minutes the life raft has not been damaged, but also that the container stays buoyant.
It's actually good to see that all the testing has all gone according to plan, and we've now got a much better container to move the life raft forward in its development. You actually end up with a far better life raft that's actually safer to move around the boat and more aesthetically pleasing for you to have on board your vessels.